Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the video session of Cantab Publisher. The students, you should have in your hands the textbook of English grade 1 along with the English workbook grade 1, and we have uploaded the resource packs for English grade 1 for the guidance of principals, teachers and parents, so that it can be very handily helping out the children that how they are going to study the chapters in an orderly manner. And after that, we are providing summer packs that from them you can have the homeworks, the summer task, because nowadays the schools are closed and the children are at home. So students, today we will be having lecture 4 of comprehension and writing. Previously, we have done 3 lectures of chapter number 1. The first one is of use of a in and in terms of vowels. The second lecture was of capitalization and full stops. The third was how we are going to use and to insert the missing letters in a word. And today we will be having our 4th and the last lecture of chapter number 1st. So, moving towards our today's lecture, that is of the poem that is Allah is One. So, we have to read it in a loud manner. So, आप लोग मेरे साथ loud voice में इसको पढ़ें. Allah is one. Allah is one, created everyone. Allah is one, feeds everyone. Allah is all in all, sees everyone. Allah is one, guides everyone. Allah is one. Shabash, we have read it loudly. Now, how many things are discussed in the chapter number 1, which is a poem? How many things are discussed? That Allah is one, that He is only one, created everyone, He creates everything that is nearby us, that is throughout the universe. Then what? Again it is repeated that Allah is one who feeds everyone. He is giving food to everyone in this universe. Allah is all in all. Allah is the sole, the only. Allah is the only one in this universe who has the authority of all the things. All the things belongs to Allah. He sees everyone. He has an eye from which He can see everybody in this world. Again, Allah is one who guides everyone, who guides every person in this universe. And again, Allah is one. So, you have studied that Allah is the one that created everyone, who feeds everyone, who sees everyone, and who guides everyone. This is the whole summary of the poem. Now, just look at the words that are used in this poem. The main thing that I'm going to discuss is that are rhyming words. What are rhyming words? Words having same sound. Words having same sound. Now collect the rhyming words from the poem. The first one is one. Everyone. One. Everyone. Everyone. One. Everyone. One. The rhyming words that are repeating in the poem that are one, every, one. Both the words are ending. Ending with what? With the same sound. So these are called what? These are called as rhyming words. So now we will be going to the comprehension of this poem. So what is the first question? Did Allah create everyone? Shabash, give me the answer. Did Allah create everyone? You have read it loudly in the poem. Yes, Allah has created everyone. So the answer is here. Yes, Allah created everyone. So the second question is, does Allah see everyone? Shabash, give me the answer. Yes, Allah sees everyone. So, yes, Allah sees everyone. Look at in the poem previously. What is the question? Did Allah create everyone? Does Allah see everyone? In the previous slide, yes, Allah created everyone. What? Allah sees everyone. The answer is present in the poem. The next one is, does Allah feed everyone? Shabash, give me the answer. Yes. Yes. So a big yes is here. Allah feeds everyone. Shabash. The next question is, does Allah guide everyone? Shabash. What is the answer? No or yes? Yes is the answer. Yes, Allah guides everyone. Shabash. Now you have the summer pack in your hands, and the page 1 of the summer pack is your home task. I will be doing the first activity of the SLO and the remaining will be your homework. So, very swiftly moving towards our first SLO, that is provide the missing letter in the simple 1 or 2 syllable words. You have already done it. The missing letter. So, these are the activities you have to done. But before that, you have to mention the page number of the SLO जहां पर ये SLO मौजूद है. So the first word is what? What is the first letter? The first letter is shoes. Here you have to spell it properly. So what is this? S-H-E-O-S. Shoes. No, this is the wrong one. The correct answer is S-H-O-E-S. Shoes. And the next one is P-N-E-B-G-A-M-K-L-I-H-I-A. Air. HIAR. These 4 should be done by yourself. Now, here the correct option and write a few lines about it. You have to do the next question. The first one is find the letter for the word F-O-T. Now here you have to select the missing letter. Which one is the right one? A or O? F-O-T. Yes, O is the right answer. That is what? That is foot. In addition to that, you have to also answer why have you chosen this option. So my answer would be I have chosen this option because O is the right answer, and by adopting O, its meaning is very accurate. It is going to be meaningful. In the same way, you have to do your 2, 3, 4 and 5th, 6th and 7th what? Multiple choice questions. So the next SLO is capitalization of the initial letter of the first word. So you have already done this in the previous class. So straight away you have to do it with the help of the previous knowledge. Now find the list of the brave heroes in famous places from the history of Pakistan with the help of the pictures. Write them using the capital letter. So here you have to use what? You have to use the names of the major heroes of Pakistan and the name of the places. For example, the first one hero of Pakistan that is coming into my mind is what? Allama Iqbal. And the first name that is coming into my mind is what? Guess करें. Yes, Badshahi Mosque. In the same way, you have to fill the remaining boxes. The next question is find the word with the capital letter. So you should have to find the word starting from the capital letter. Which one is the right one? Shayan, shop. So the right one is Shayan because the first letter is capital here, and in shop the first letter is the small. And the same way you have to answer the remaining questions. The third SLO is to know about the oneness of Allah. So you have to read the poem and complete the following sentences. We have already read it loudly. So once again, you have to read all the poem here and you have to answer the 4 questions. Now these questions should be filled out by you because I have already done the comprehension some minutes before. Again, here your homework is going larger because this is the end of the chapter. This is the activity of what? Reading and writing. So you have to read the poem carefully from the book and copy the words from it to fill in the blanks. And which are the blanks? Allah is dash. Dash created everyone. Allah dash everyone and dash feeds everyone. So this is your homework. Now the next one is the homework of speaking and writing. So we are going to enhance your skills of what? Your skills of reading and writing, and then your skills of speaking and writing. So recall the names of your friends and family members. Tell these names one by one orally to your mother. Then write it down. When you have to tell them orally, it will enhance your speaking skills, and you have to write it, which will enhance your writing skills. So students, what is the name of your friend? Write it down here, and also tell it to your mother, your father, your sister and your brother. So the name of your friend, the name of your sister, the name of your brother, the name of your mother, and the name of your father. This is the homework you have to do by yourself, and this is the end of our chapter number 1. Thank you so much. We will see you in the next class. Good luck and Allah Hafiz.